Welcome to Catigbian West Central Elementary School of Poblacion Oeste, Catigbian, Bohol. Simulation for grades 1, 2, and 3 school year 2020-2021. Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. By Malcolm X. This year, the Department of Education was able to think of a program to continue the learning development of our learners amidst the global pandemic. We must not let this chaos stop the children from gaining knowledge. That is why our department came out with the Learning Continuity Plan that will address the problems in this new normal situation and still fits to our vision, mission, and the core values. We, the grades 1, 2, and 3 teachers of Catigbian West Central Elementary School, Catigbian District, led by our school principal, Ms. Leonora M. Lastimosa, strongly support this program in uplifting education in the midst of COVID-19 pandemic. Join us then as we give you how learning will take place for grades 1, 2, and 3 learners for the school year 2020-2021 of Catigbian West Central Elementary School, for it is an institution that continues to reap the golden harvest. June 1, 2020, remote enrollment started with the full support of our barangay officials, headed by our punong barangay, Vitaliana M. Rubin. Learner survey forms were distributed in designated drop-off centers like Barangay Hall, Puroks, and the school itself. Because of the fast tracking and gathering of our survey forms, CWSS was able to determine the total number of pupils from grades 1 to 3 and what learning modalities are applicable with the use of decision tree and readiness assessment tool. The result of LESF revealed the total enrollment of grades 1, 2, and 3 and identify blended learning modality that includes a combination of face-to-face, distance learning, in modular and online. Teachers prepare their class profile, grade section, and inventory of learning resources considering the use of the most essential learning competencies or MELC. Series of virtual meetings were also conducted. With the preparation and production of learning materials, all learners were allocated of MOE budget for the color-coded plastic folders, reams of bond paper, and bottles of ink for the printing of modules and activity sheets. Protection against COVID-19 pandemic were also purchased for the safety of our parents and learners once classes will resume. Moreover, parents' orientation was done by the respective teacher to explain thoroughly to the parents on how modular learning modality will be done. Before the distribution, each teacher printed the modules and activity sheets and put them together in a folder. The packing of grades 1 to 3 learning materials was done before Friday. These materials were sanitized by our teacher. To expedite the distribution, only parents or guardians must get the learning materials in the school and of course strictly observe and follow the safety protocols given by the DOH and IATF. The teachers encouraged their parents to send a picture or a video that serves as an actual follow-up at home. After a week, parents return the learning outputs to know the effectivity of this modular distance learning following the same protocols. During the meeting of our homeroom officers, the assessment was done. there was an assessment of learners' output. We found out that the parents play an important role in the teaching-learning process during this new normal setup. The learning of their children depends on how they value education while they are at home. Post-conference led by our school principal, Mrs. Leonora M. Lastimosa, was done for further feedback and improvement. Since the opening of classes for school year 2020 to 2021 was extended to October 5, we still have enough time to get ready all the learning materials needed to meet the Division of Bohol primary goal, which is Bawat Bata Bumabasa, Sulong Edukalidad, Behold Bohol.